Okay, so very good evening, everyone. I welcome you all for today's basics of stock market trading, guys. Remember, this entire training is going to be in English, guys. So I am not going to speak up in Hindi. Okay, so make sure whoever are here for Hindi, they need to attend the Hindi lectures, which are daily happening between 8 and 9. Okay, but from tomorrow onwards, it will be in morning because from tomorrow onwards they are going to learn live things in the live market. Okay, so let's see. But again, but today entire lecture is going to be in English. Okay, I'm just waiting for more participants to join this meeting. So far we are 9 participants. We'll wait until 9:35 and after that directly I'll start this lecture. Again, make sure you guys are ready with proper pen and book. So whatever things we are going to learn today, you guys make a proper note of it. Okay, trust me, guys, at the end of this training, you will definitely feel that you are getting value from this training. It is my promise to all of you guys. Okay, so meanwhile, I'll again mute myself and I'll come back and I'll join you guys by 3:35. Okay, and again, I'm saying this training is going to be in English. Okay, so if anyone is from Hindi side, I request them, please please release to this lecture and join the Hindi lectures from the Monday if they are a fresher. Okay. So wait until 9:35 and after that we'll start this lecture. Okay. Thank you. Okay, so let's start with the session, guys. So I see like there are right now 10 participants. Zahir Khan, Pankaj, Selva Murugan, Suraj, Vijay. Okay, so guys, okay, so let's start this training now. Okay, so let me explain first myself. Okay, my name is Mehul and I'm your trainer from Equity Pathshala. Okay, I have been doing like trading and investing from past 4 years. Okay, and personally, I do take trainings and I teach people like how exactly things work in stock market. Okay. So yeah, from past 4 years, I have been working with Equity Pathshala here. So, and currently I am pursuing my MBA in finance. Okay. Already I have completed my BA in economics. Okay. So let's start with the training. So here we'll go ahead and try to understand basically about stock market. Basically, first we'll understand what is stock market. Okay. First, we'll try to understand what is stock market. In stock market, currently there are two parameters. One is primary market and one is secondary market, guys. In stock market, there are two parameters. One is primary and secondary market. So first, I'll start with the primary market. How exactly primary market works? Okay. So primary market is nothing. It is just the company where it gets registered in the stock market for the first time. For example, I have my company. Okay, for example, I have my company ABC Private Limited. Okay, it's a normal private limited company. Like I'm doing my business on small scale, but now I want to grow my business. Okay, so what I will do is I'll go to bank. Okay, or I will go to my friends and ask them for the money that, hi friend, please give me money. I want to expand my business. Or I'll go to bank. But what will happen, guys? My friends will able to give me money, but they will be not be able to giving me money, the money that I wanted to grow my business. However, bank will also give me money. Okay, the bank will also give me money, but again, I have to pay interest on the loan that I am going to take from the bank. So what I will do is, okay, I will go to the SEBI. Okay, I will go to the SEBI. What's the full form of SEBI? The full form of SEBI is Security Exchange Board of India. Okay, the full form of SEBI is Security Exchange Board of India. I will go to SEBI and I'll tell them that, hi SEBI, I have my ABC Private Limited company. Okay, I am into business of manufacturing. Okay, I do manufacture clothes. I do manufacture jeans. Okay, I'm into the clothing brand. I want to expand my business, so I want to register my company into the stock market. So what SEBI will do? SEBI will do scrutiny about my company. SEBI will check my management. SEBI will check my profit and loss statement. SEBI will check my assets and liability. SEBI will check my mode of business, like how much business I have been doing in the past. Okay, these are the various factors wherein I can, if I'm combining these factors, the factors are divided in two parts. One is quantitative and one is qualitative. Okay, SEBI will check both the things, qualitative and quantitative. Okay, based on that, SEBI will decide whether my company will get registered or not into the primary market. Okay, so let's understand this. SEBI has given me approval. Okay, SEBI has given me approval to register my company in the stock market. So now what I will do is I will launch my IPO in the company. Okay, I will launch my IPO in the stock market. I'm sorry, not in the company. I'll launch my IPO in the stock market. Okay, for stating that hi people, please come and invest in my IPO. Okay, so I can get money to grow my business. So what will happen? People like you or people like other retail investors, they will come to the market and they will place a bid on my IPO. Okay, and once they get my IPO, okay, I will be getting money from the people, money from the investor, from the people, those who have got my IPO. So what I have done is, here I have exchanged my equity for the money. Okay, for example, I told SEBI that I am ready to give my 50% of equity, okay, to all the investors, those who come and invest in my IPO. Okay, so what will happen? You will sell your 50% equity in the stock market. In return, you will get money and all the peoples will get your stock. Okay, so what will happen here? The more your company grows, people will get profit. If your company make losses, the people who have invested in your stocks, they will make losses. It is simple factor, guys. So that is what happened in primary market. Again, I will repeat this, guys. Every time if any company is coming to the stock market to register for the first time, that comes to the primary market. Okay, so guys, everything is clear about primary market now? Let me know in the chat. If everything is clear, type 1, please, in the chat. Guys, I got only one response. We are 15 participants. I just want to make sure like all of us are on same page. Great. Perfect. Perfect. Thank you so much, guys. Now let's come to the secondary market. Okay. Now let's come to the secondary market. Company registered into the primary market. Everything happened. So what happened in secondary market? Secondary market is something where people like you and me, where we do trading and investing on daily basis from 9:15 a.m. to 3:30 p.m. That is called a secondary market, where companies do exchange their stocks, where people do buy stocks, people do sell stocks. That is what is secondary market, nothing else, guys. Primary market is something where company gets registered for the first time in the primary market after getting approval from SEBI. Secondary market is again people like you and me, where all of us do proper investing and trading. Okay, between 9:15 a.m. to 3:30 p.m. And both the markets are regulated by the SEBI, Security Exchange Board of India, wherein this body is the one who protects the right and interest of all the traders and investors. If something goes wrong with you, okay, if something goes wrong with you guys, you can directly send an email to the SEBI stating that hi SEBI, this thing has gone wrong with me. Please help me. That is how it is. Okay, guys, if you have any question till here, please raise the hand. I will take your questions so I can move further. If you guys don't have question, do raise the hand. I will unmute you. We can coordinate with each other. While I'm going further, I will answer your questions also, just to make sure like we all of us are on same page, guys. If you guys have any question, you guys can raise your hand. I will answer it for you guys. Okay, great. So far, I didn't see any hand raised, so I'll go further now. Okay, I will go further. So now, what another thing? 1 second. Yes, Suraj, tell me, what is your question?
यस
Suraj?
सर, हम ये पूछना चाहते, यस मैम, हम पूछना चाहते हैं कि आप जैसे
Suraj English, Suraj English, Suraj.
यस मैम, I want to ask you do just to read me, but I want to notes where I get it.
Suraj, your voice is breaking. I can't hear you properly.
I am just saying, ma'am, you are where I getting a notes, just lecture.
You need to make a notes personally. Sorry, you won't get notes from here. You will only get recording, but you need to make notes. Okay.
Okay,
Thank
ma'am.
you.
Okay, thank you.
Okay. Perfect. So guys, I will now go further from here. Let's talk about exchange. Okay. Basically, there are two exchange right now. Okay. Where basically people do maximum trading. So there is Kolkata exchange. There is Baroda exchange. Every state has its own exchange, guys. If you guys have not idea, you can Google it. Every exchange has its own, state has its own exchange. Okay. But basically, maximum trading happens in two exchange. That is BSE and NSE. BSE stands for Bombay Stock Exchange and NSE stands for National Stock Exchange, wherein BSE has more than 5,000 stocks, okay, which is Asia's oldest market, which started in the end of 1800 era. That's the oldest market. Okay, wherein NSE is National Stock Market, not the National Stock Exchange, guys. So in which there are nearby 1,600 companies, okay, registered, but maximum trading happens, if I compare between BSE and NSE, that happens in the NSE, guys. Okay, so it is just nothing, just good to know knowledge. Okay, there are two exchange, BSE and NSE. In BSE, there are 5,000 plus companies. In NSE, there are 1,600 plus companies. Okay, if we compare it, maximum trading happens in NSE, that is in National Stock Exchange. Okay, there are another two bodies that take care of your income tax and they take care of your settlement. When I talk about income tax, your PAN card and your Aadhaar card is linked to your Demat account. Okay, and there are two bodies who take care of it. One is NSDL and another is CDSL. NSDL is the one who take care of your KYC and everything, and CDSL is something it is responsible to settle your transactions. CDSL is the responsible for buyers to give them shares. CDSL is the responsible to the seller to give them money. That is how it works, guys. Yep, Shahjahan, you are right. CDSL, Central Depository Service Limited. That's the full form of CDSL. NSDL is National Security Depository Limited. That's the full form of NSDL. Is that clear, guys? Till here? Let me know in chat one, please. Okay. So now let's understand about random trader and professional trader. Okay, let's move further. We'll try to understand random trader and professional trader. There are two types of trader. One is random trader and one is professional trader. First, we'll try to understand who is random trader. Okay, so let's understand here we have Alvin. Okay, I'll just use Alvin's name. Okay, just to give you guys example, so you guys will be able to understand what I'm trying to say. Okay, so Alvin is a random trader right now. Okay, so what Alvin does, Alvin wakes up early in the morning. He looks at the news channel. Okay, he looks at the newspaper. He has many of the Telegram channels. He has many other friends who are involved in stock market. What happens, Alvin gets multiple recommendations throughout the day from news channel, from friends, from Telegram channel, from newspaper, from various mode. Okay, so what Alvin does, Alvin directly go and invest in them without having any knowledge, without having any fundamental or technical knowledge. So what will happen? I know, Samantha, right now it's blank. I haven't started any PPT because I'm just on the basic part. Okay. I haven't started this PPT yet. Don't worry. Yeah. So what happened here, guys? So Alvin will invest in that money. Okay. Alvin invest in the money. So whenever you come to the market, guys, in starting, market will definitely give you good profit. In starting, market will definitely give you good profit, but there will be some time where you will be holding your position and you will lose your all the money in one single trade only. What I meant to say is, Alvin is booking small profit, but he is not booking small losses. He is booking big losses. So what happened if Alvin, if Alvin is getting 1,000 rupees in one trade, he is booking that. But for example, if Alvin is trading four times, okay, all three times Alvin got profit of 1,000, 1,000, 1,000. Okay, so Alvin's profit is 3,000 right now. And while Alvin is taking fourth trade and things are going against Alvin right now, newspaper people said buy so and Alvin made loss over here. So what will happen? Alvin didn't follow the risk management because Alvin is a random trader. So what will happen? Alvin, so what will happen? Alvin is still holding the stock. Now Alvin loss is 2,000 rupees. Still Alvin is holding that stock. Again, market came down. Alvin is still holding that stock. So that is what mentality is over here. We book small profits, but we don't know how to book losses, which is very important, guys. That is called as a psychology mindset. Whatever things we are learning right now, whatever things we are learning right now, it is going to help you guys. Trust me, it will help you. But trust me, that is only 20%. 80% is your psychology. 80% is your discipline. If you're not following that, things are not going to work for you. So it is very important for you guys to understand that whatever things you are learning, whatever things you are understanding right now, it is just the 20% of stock market. Rest is your discipline and your risk management. Okay. Guys, everything is clear till here. Let me know in the chat bar. Guys, let me know in the chat bar. Everything is clear till here. After that, we'll move further. Perfect. Great. Now let's understand about professional trader. When I talk about professional trader, guys, a professional trader is someone who plans things in advance. If I want to give you example, okay. Yesterday I got 500 profit, but I today lost 700. It's okay, Pankaj, don't worry. I'll make sure from here onwards you won't do that mistake. Okay, I will help you guys. Don't worry. So professional trader is something, guys. What is professional trader? The person who plans their things in advance. Once you come into the market, okay, directly you should never go and trade or invest in the market. Guys, not taking any trade or not taking any investment is a good strategy. Normally, what we do, we wake up, we see the market is open, let's go and trade without any planning. It doesn't work like that, guys. It is very important that we need to understand before taking any trade, we need to plan our tradings. It is very important, guys. So let's understand how professional traders work. Okay. Professional trader is someone who will plan their trades in advance, like how much loss I can bear, how many trades I'm going to take today if market is going to be in my condition. Okay. He will do proper fundamental analysis. He will do proper technical analysis. He will also do about analysis about quant analysis also. Quant analysis nothing, guys. Quant analysis nothing. It is just other technical indicators and mathematical calculations from their people to trade. That is what it is. Nothing else in that. Okay. After that, professional traders do maintain their trading journal also. What they maintain in trading journal, like what trade they have taken, what time they have taken that trade. Okay, I will do share that example in tomorrow's lecture with you guys. So you guys will be able to understand exactly how trading journal works. I will also show my PNL also to you guys. Okay, now, how exactly thing works with the proper risk management. So you guys will come to know about proper trading and investing. Okay, now let's understand this thing, guys. 90% of retail traders like you and me, okay, 90%, 90% retail traders like you and me, okay, I'm typing over here, 90% of retail traders make losses. Okay, so guys, now you tell me, okay, retail traders are someone like people like you and me. I am a retail trader. You are a retail trader. I'll come on that point. Don't worry, Shahjan. I'll to explain that. 90% of retail traders make losses. Yes, because of greediness, you are right, Pankaj, but still there are other things. Can anyone tell me in the chat, like what's that? Why we make losses? Guys, anyone? iPhone says incomplete knowledge. Shahjan says because of hurry. Pankaj says lack of knowledge. Guys, all of you are right. All of you are right, but partially. You know why? We come into the stock market to earn money. Okay, make a note of this, guys. We come to the stock market to earn money, but we end up making losses. You know why? Because 90% of traders or investors, okay, the reason retail traders lose money in the investing and trading because they do not have education of fundamentals and technical. Nothing else, guys. Nothing else, guys. If I want to like become an engineer, if I want to become an engineer, okay, what I will do is I'll go to college, I'll slog myself, I'll try to learn many mathematic calculations and many things I'll do. And after that, I'll become engineer. And after that, I will work in any MNC and I'll get salary of 20, 30,000 rupees. But in stock market, what we decide? I have 15,000. Let's go to the stock market. We'll earn money without any fundamental knowledge or education. So it is very important, guys, that you should have a fundamental knowledge and education. Pankaj sir, I would like to tell one more thing. Gambling is still easy. Gambling is still ending game, but trading is never ending game. Trading is never ending game. Why? Because till the time you have your capital, you will keep playing that game. But once your capital is over, you will be out from the trading game. But again, once you will have capital, again, any of your friends or members, family members, or anyone will tell you that please go ahead and make a trade. And again, you will come up with a capital and you will come and trade in the market. Gambling is still, for example, if I say Today there's an IPL match of Mumbai Indians and Chennai Super Kings. Okay. And if someone is doing gambling on that, there will be many people who are doing gambling. And at the end of the match, either you will go zero or either you will get money. Match over, gambling over. But trading is a game where it's never ending, guys. Because trading market starts daily in the morning at 9:15 p.m. Sorry, 9:15 a.m. till 3:30 p.m. That's a almost 6 hours, guys. So it is very important. Guys, every time, how market gives you money? Guys, how market gives you money? Every time you make profit, market is not giving you money from its pocket. Market gives you money while you're earning profit. There is someone who is making losses while you are making losses. There is someone who is making money. Remember this. We need to remember this, guys. Am I right or wrong? Let me know in chat, guys. In market, whenever you are making profit, there is someone who is losing his money. And whenever you are losing your money, there is someone who is earning money. When I say this, that means when you are hitting your target points, there is someone who is losing on the stop loss or holding that stocks till the money becomes zero, or trading in Nifty and Bank Nifty. Chatting that today it's going down. Let's see tomorrow it will go up definitely. Professional traders, they behave according to market. They work according to market. Professional traders. But random traders, they pretend that market should work according to them. So that's the reason they end up making huge losses, guys. So here we need to understand this, what things we are going to cover in this entire training, okay, throughout the entire week, okay. We are also going to work in the live market. So please be rest assured about that. So the very first thing we are going to understand how to do fundamental analysis, okay. We are going to understand how the fundamental analysis work. And this is for swing trading and long-term trading also. Sorry, investing. Swing trading is a stock which you hold for like with a short duration of like 15 days to 1 month. And long-term is something about 6 months and 1 year. Okay. So that is something is known as the long-term investment and swing trading. Okay. So fundamental analysis, we are going to work on that. Okay. After that, we'll go with the technical analysis also. Why? Because technical analysis is the art. It's the art to understand the history of the market, because history repeats itself. Guys, do you guys agree with me? Let me know in the chat bar, guys. History repeats itself? Hello? Guys, let me know in the chat, please. Perfect. So here we'll try to understand how the technical analysis work, what technical things are trying to tell. Okay. Every candle is trying to say something. Every chart is trying to say something. It can be anything. We'll try to understand that. Okay. Apart from that, I'll teach you guys support and resistance. Okay. I will teach you guys support and resistance. And also we'll learn about options trading. How does index work? Nifty, Bank Nifty, Fin Nifty, everything. So everything this we are going to cover in this entire training. And trust me, guys, if guys, if you want to earn money, then you have to do a proper practice. My job is to teach you guys. But if you're not doing practice, then please don't come and tell your coordinator or any of your friend that, yeah, I lost money in the market. It is because of your mistake. If we are going to school, the teacher's job is to teach us. You will ask question, they will answer it for you. But if you're unable to implement that, if you're not writing that answer in the exam, then nothing is going to work for you guys. Trust me, guys. Guys, stock market is not risky. Stock market is not risky at all. The way we trade, that is risky. Why? Because no knowledge. Today, we try to understand little bit of basic attenuations of the stock market and little bit of psychology. Because again, I'm saying things that we are going to learn, that is only 20%. Rest of the things are going to be your psychology and your risk management. If that is at proper place, even if you apply only 10% in it, trust me, guys, you guys will be earning good amount of money from the stock market. It is my personal experience, guys. Trust me. So another thing we need to understand this, guys, while we are doing this training, through entire journey, we'll make sure like we are following proper risk management, we are following our psychology and everything. Okay. So tomorrow, what we are going to cover is, tomorrow we'll try to understand how does fundamental analysis work for the swing trading and for the long-term investment, guys. That is what we are going to cover in tomorrow's training. Okay. So again, I am coming back to the training part, guys. We are going to understand candlestick also. We are going to understand chart pattern, many other things which will help you to understand, which will help you to predict the market. You know, guys, in market, there are two things. One is FII, financial institutions. Can anyone tell me what comes under financial institution, guys, please? Can anyone please tell me what comes into the financial institutions, please? Let me know in chat, guys, quickly. Foreign bank, yes, Sumit, you're right, but it's partially. There are many other things. Guys, tell me. Financial institution or foreign institution? The foreign institutions are altogether different, okay? Again, can anyone tell me, guys? What comes into financial institutions? It is very easy. We do hear that things. Yep, banks, Rohini, you are right. Any other stuff? Do you remember, guys? Okay, I'll repeat myself. Yes, Shahjan, you are right. Yes, yes. In not LIC, not LIC. It is institution, but not specifically LIC. Okay, Sandeep, you're partially right. In institutional, okay, when I talk about FIIs, okay, means big pockets. The people who have big money, means they have power to change the market direction. You can also call them operators. You can also call them operators. Second, mutual fund holder, mutual fund houses. There are many, many big mutual fund houses wherein they are mutual fund managers. They do invest money in various stocks, the money that you give, which is also known as so-called systematic investment plan nowadays. Okay. Hedge funds. There are other people, hedge funds. There are foreign banks. You know, guys, and retail traders are you and me. What we do, we rely on Telegram. We rely on TV, on CNBC Awaaz, on Aaj Tak. Exactly where, like, whatever location we get stock market news, or on the friend, anyone. The people who are the people, yes, DII also is a part of same. FII and DII. Okay, Sumit, you are right. FII and DII. Guys, why I am calling them operators, you know, because you never know what positions they are taking. Sumit, FII and DII are different, I understand, but I'm just trying to combine them. Why? Because you never know what positions they are taking. So the answer is taking full market of. No, not only FI, DII is also. DII is also. Try to understand, guys. Try to understand. FII and DII both are playing important role in the market. It is very important for us to understand their footprints. It is very important for us to understand the footprint of what exactly they are doing. Yes, Pankaj, you are right. They have the power to change the market. Sumit, we cannot say that FII is a main operator, but yes, why I'm calling them operator? Because they have power to change the things. They can reverse. They have big pockets. Okay, people like you and me, we come into the market with 10,000, 20,000 to learn to the market. But we end up giving our money to the market. Why? Because there was no risk management. There was no knowledge. There was no fundamental, nothing. That is what it is. Okay. So basically, if I talk about big pocket, okay, it is FII, DII, mutual funds, hedge funds, and other boutique investment firms. Why? Because they do actually proper research. Okay. They do study, they read books, they do study the things. They read the company or balance sheets, they look at the company management, they do many things. That's the reason they are able to make money, guys. Because they have such context. They have such knowledge. What about retailers, guys? People like you and me, what we have? Tell me, guys. Tell me, guys, in chat, what we have, guys. Let me know in the chat, please. It's okay if you guys are going wrong. I'll correct you guys. Don't worry. Your messages are directly coming to me. It's not in public. Okay. I'll say one thing, guys. We have YouTube. Okay. We have CNBC hours. We have Telegram channel. We have our friends on which we rely for the tips. Am I right or wrong, guys? Let me know in the chat bar. We have Rakesh Chunchunwala. We do follow Telegram channels, right, guys? So we need to understand this. Right. You are right, Samantha. We only have interpretation of other people. You are right, Samantha. You are absolutely right. So it is very important for us to understand that at least if we follow the footprints of this big people, trust me, we can make money. And getting good returns from the market, it is possible. Trust me, it is possible. You can like consider the stock market as a business. Trust me, you can consider the stock market as your business. You can consider the stock market as your second source of income. You can consider the stock market as your pocket money too. You can consider the stock market wherein it can maintain your other household expenses, house EMI, many other things. But when you have proper research, when you have proper fundamentals, when you have proper studies, when you have proper risk management. Till here, everything is clear, guys. Let me know, please. Guys, let me know in chat bar. Till here, are we clear? Shall we go further now? Okay, great. So, guys, here we need to understand another thing. So what comes into fundamental? I will just give you overview right now about fundamental analysis. Okay, we are going to do fundamental analysis tomorrow, but today we are going to just see the overview of fundamental analysis, how exactly fundamental analysis works. Okay, it is just a framework that which we are going to understand today. Okay, trust me, guys. If you have knowledge, then you can make money in the stock market. It is a personal experience, guys. I can share my portfolio also with you guys, a real time on the screen. Okay, while we start trading and learning, so you guys will come to know how exactly things are working. Okay, so when it comes to fundamental analysis, the very first thing we need to know is basic understanding of finance. Basic understanding of finance that we can get from our house also properly. From where you can ask your mom, you can ask your parent, wherein they are the one who are managing entire house. I will say the women are the best investor and the best managers. Please do agree with me this. Why? Because still what I do is whatever money I am earning, guys, I directly give it to my mom. My mom is the one who decides like where exactly money will go, what amount of money will get invested, what amount of money will be used for groceries, what amount of money will be used for utilities, what amount of money will be used for EMI, XYZ. Yes, trading also needs fundamental knowledge. You know, not everyone, like, it is vice and versa. If you are following technical analysis, make sure you learn technical analysis thoroughly. If you're doing fundamental analysis, make sure you are doing fundamental analysis thoroughly. It is not a 1 day journey, 1 week journey, 1 month journey, or 1 year journey, guys. It is never ending journey. Like I said, trading is never ending game. Guys, even I make losses in the market. Even I am making losses in the market, I will do share that with you guys. So you guys will come to know what I'm trying to tell you guys. I will show you good things, but along with that, I will also show you negative things. So you should be prepared for that also. That will help you to understand how things will work. Coming back to the fundamental analysis framework, basic understanding of finance. Why I say your wife, your mother, whosoever like you have right now, the women who is taking responsibility of your house, they are the good person because they have a financial knowledge, fundamental knowledge to running the house. Managing house is not easy, guys. Trust me. Do you agree with me or not? Let me know in chat, guys. Let me know in chat. I'm waiting for reply, guys. After that, second is industry outlook. Why? Industry outlook. For example, if you have 10,000, directly, if you go and invest in stock market, trust me, you will be nowhere. You guys will not have idea where exactly your money is going. It is very important for us to understand industry. For example, if your mom is spending entire money that you have given to your mom in fast food and in groceries only, will you be able to manage your traveling? Will you be able to manage your money pocket? No, right? She has a portion, proper portion, that this is my son's or my daughter's money pocket. This portion will go for grocery. So for this, different portions are industry for mom. Similarly, when you come to stock market, we have a different portions. When I talk about different portion means we have petrochemical industry, we have automobile industry, we have EV industry, we have chemical industry, we have oil and gas industry, we have garment industry, we have IT industry, and basic financial ratios, guys, that we are going to learn tomorrow in the market. Trust me. Tomorrow onwards, you guys will be having proper screen and everything in front of you. I really want you guys to make a note of each and every single thing that I'm saying. Even if I say full stop, make a note of that full stop also, guys, just to make sure like guys are doing something new for your future. If you're just thinking about your present, trust me, you will do nothing. Think about your future, so then only you will make your good future. Shahjan, today we are only looking at the basics. Okay, I will do share the recording. If you have doubts or anything, you can definitely share it into the chat. I will definitely take that question for you. Okay, don't worry about that. It is my responsibility that no one should left behind. Guys, it is my responsibility that no one should left behind. Okay, so I'll make sure that each and everyone is earning and understanding properly. Okay, till here, everything is clear, guys. Let me know in chat, please. Perfect. Great. Yeah, we will have class daily. Okay, at this time only, but only the timings will be changed for the live market. Why? Because whatever things we are learning, we need to learn how to implement them in the market. So yeah, we are going to also learn in the market. So don't worry. Perfect. So guys, let's understand tomorrow's agenda. Tomorrow we are going to learn fundamental analysis, and we are also going to learn few indicators tomorrow, which will help you to understand long-term investment and short-term trading, okay, in the stocks. Okay, so just by investing in stocks, just by capturing small moments, I'll teach you guys tomorrow how you can capture small moments, how to find stocks in the stock market. Okay. So for today, we are going to end this session over here, guys. Okay. Tomorrow, make sure you guys are taking proper notes and everything. Okay. Always not tomorrow morning. Don't worry. Tomorrow we have session in English in the evening only. At the same time, okay, we'll discuss everything with all the participants. After then only we'll decide the live market timing. Don't worry. Okay. Please be rest assured. In case if you miss that, you can join the another session on which we'll be having live market. Okay. You have access to this session infinite. Okay. So don't worry. It depends. I'm happy to see that you eagerly want to learn this. Don't worry about that. Perfect. So guys, I will end this session. I will share all the recordings, the recording of Hindi lecture which happened between 8 and 9 today. Okay. And the recording of this lecture also. So you guys will be having proper access of everything. And tomorrow, make sure you guys are taking proper notes of everything, because tomorrow we are going to learn about fundamental analysis. Okay. Great. Anything else, guys? Any other questions you want to share with me right now, or you want to talk with me? You guys are free. You can raise hand. I'll unmute you guys. I'll take your questions. I'm okay with that. Is there anyone else who wants to ask question, guys? Shall we end this session? Please type 1 in the chat bar. I'll end it. My name is Mehul. My name is Mehul. And also I am sharing the WhatsApp number for you guys, where I will be asking you to send your homework. I will be asking you 6 2 3 1 2 3. Yep. I will be asking you to share your homework. I will be asking you to share your queries and everything. I have shared it. Make a note of it, guys. 86550232123. That's the number. It will be better if you do a WhatsApp call, because in normal time, I won't answer call, but on WhatsApp, the same thing is logged into the 2-3 systems. So we have people who will be helping you properly. I hope everyone has noted that number. Save that number as a Equity Pathshala support. Save that number as Equity Pathshala support, okay? Perfect. Then we'll see you guys tomorrow, 9:30 sharp. Make sure you guys are making proper notes and everything. Thank you so much, guys, for joining for the today's session. Have a lovely evening with your family. Bye-bye. Okay?